Hello friends, welcome to Java Swing tutorial. You are watching final part of the drag and drop between two JList. In this video, we are going to look at drop options. Use selection on, insert, insert on. So above you can look at the toolbar, and so far we have discussed about the selection drop option only. Now we will look into on, insert, insert on options. These are all the slides from the previous parts. Now in this video we will look at the drop options. We will directly go into the demo as implementation is simple, but you have to learn how the drag and drop option work with the drop options. So here is our implementation. We will go to drag and drop. Since I lost the continuity, this class name may be different. It may be deviating from the previous video. So just the class name and file name is changed. And yeah, now we will proceed. First, we will implement the action listener for all these 4 toggle buttons. Remember, these toggle buttons are inside the toolbar. So like this we have to implement for other 3 buttons. So here we are using the anonymous inner type technique. Control space and choose anonymous inner type. So the skeletons are ready. First we will implement selection drop option. If you see here, we are using the user selection option. So likewise we have to just change the constant, that's all. Here we are using the set drop mode and drop mode constant on for the on selection, and for insert it will be the insert option which we set for both the JList. Finally we set on or insert option. Now we will explore one by one. First we will go to the user selection. So here is the move option, and you can see it will replace the item destination 4 with source 1. Let us say we have destination 2 is in the selected state in the default list. Now I am moving source 5 here I am moving source 5 and I want to replace destination 5 with the source 5. Once I release the mouse, it will replace. But if you see, the previously selected item is gone. Instead, whatever I dropped, that get selected. So that's the selection option. Copy and move, we don't need to worry. Why? Because we explored that in the previous video. Now I just relaunched it. This time we will explore the on option. So in on drop option, it just works how the selection does. But if we have something which is selected in the destination or in the drop target, that selection will be preserved. See here, now I am replacing destination 4. Destination 4 is replaced by source 3, but still destination 1 is in the selected state. That means whatever is previously in the selected state, that will not get affected. If you see, the selection is preserved. That's what called on option. I mean the on drop option. Now we will check the drop mode insert. So selection as well as on both will replace the item in the drop target. The insert will insert an item between the existing item, but I can't replace anything. So if you see here, we have destination 1 to 6. I can't replace any of this, but I can insert some item in between. So that's the insert option. You can perform copy also. Now finally we will explore insert on. So here it's just like the on option. An option is to replace the existing item, but the selection will be preserved. Insert is to insert some item in between and at the same time keeping the selection preserved. So now I'm selecting 2 items here and I'm trying to place it in between destination 4, destination 5, and in between we copied source 4 and source 5. So that's all in this demo. Now you have an idea of how to implement the drag and drop option between 2 JList using transfer handler. So as already told, these two are the replace option and these two are the insert option. And in our DTS manager, this is where we check the insert option. So if drop location is insert, if you see here, we perform the import data. During the import data, we check whether the option is insert or replace. So if it is a replace, then we use the set method. Otherwise we use the add method on the default list model. So set will replace the item, add will insert an item in between. That's all here in this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.